Hey everyone, this is Richard Noto. I am a realtor, home inspector, and notary located in Winter Garden, Florida. Right now we are at the Margaritaville Orlando Resort. And the home I'm about to show you is a 4-bedroom. And it's got 3 floors. A really nice looking home. I like this one a lot. It's really tall. It's probably one of the tallest ones in the area. Let's go inside and have a look. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this home, please do contact me. I could offer you some excellent incentives on this. You will always end up with it for less than if you just head over to the builder alone. And my services to you are also free as a realtor, so it's totally free and you save money. Let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so over here in this community, you can purchase a furniture package if you want. Now, the furniture package has a different price depending on the size of the home. There's a few of them. And if you do want to turn the home into a rental, you do need the furniture package. So this model has an island, as you can see. Let's go take a look at the inside of this cabinet here. Very nice. Now here you have a small rear sitting area. Just going to show you this briefly. Now the section over here that is all sand, typically over here at this community, it's a little like a courtyard where there's going to be plants and places to walk. So that's really what it commonly is, and you know, the homes over here are still being built, so just keep that in mind. And also do keep in mind that because this home is a inventory home, it may not be always 100%, so it might need some little touch-ups here and there, which is common with any home that's inventory. I don't think I've ever seen one that's 100% complete. I mean, you might need some paint here and there or a little adjustment. Okay, so you got a closet under the stairs here, and you have your circuit breakers. Okay, so let's go check this out. I'm gonna flip on some lights here. Not that it needs light, not that it needs lighting because it was plenty bright, but just for the sake of this video, I mean, much like this, the sun's coming right in. The homes over here in this community have a very different style about them. And if there's one thing that I've noticed is that all the models that I've been inside have really nice lighting. Meaning the sun seems to come in from everywhere. So this is the balcony. They got a nice place to sit outside. Yeah, the fan in these homes is always a switch on the end. from what I've noticed. Here's your shower. And let's take a look at your closet. So here's your laundry. Now, this is something that's very nice. This isn't something that you see often at all in homes. It's kind of rare. Okay, so pretty much what you're looking at is essentially similar to the bottom of a shower. And you can see the drain over there. And the reason for that is if your washing machine leaks, it's going to go right down the drain. Now, usually what they do in homes is they put a little tray underneath these things. It's a plastic tray. The problem with those trays is that they crack. So this is a much better alternative. And especially if you are considering using this home as a rental, you know, the people that are going to be in the home might just have a spill. And that should help to keep your home from becoming a flood zone compared to the plastic tray. So in my opinion, that's the best alternative when the washing machine is up on a second floor or a third floor. Very nice home. I like the color. I'm gonna give you a little view out this front window over here. We'll just step outside here. Okay, so let's head up to the third floor. And always do keep in mind, I do offer home buyers incentives on homes. But you do have to contact me first before you head over to any home builder. You will always end up paying less in some way than if you just go it alone. And on a home like over here, I could offer you some really nice incentives, so please do contact me first. There we go. Oh, very nice. Let me see if I can find a light. There it is. And that's what the floor looks like. Let me just get a little bit closer for you. Okay, so it looks like we have a master over here. I think this bedroom's a little bit larger and we have a little bit more space in the bathroom. Actually, an extra sink. Okay. If you have any questions about this home or this community, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And also check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale in each community at the bottom of the page. Now, sometimes home builders do keep the homes off of the MLS for a while, so it's always best to contact me for the latest information directly. And this is another excellent home over here in the resort, Margaritaville. Just going to give you another view of the kitchen. And the home does come with the fridge, the microwave, the stove, and everything is Samsung. And thank you for watching. If you know someone that might also find this video helpful, please send it over to them. And keep in mind, I always get paid from the home builder. So my services to you as a realtor are essentially free. And please like, favorite, share, subscribe. Have a great day.